All right, we're on to the deadlift. We're gonna show you proper ways to spot for the deadlift. So we've already communicated, me and Kai, we know what we want. With the spotter, you want to make sure there's nothing around that they could fall on, get stabbed by, poked. I'm ready to do my lift. Kai's gonna be behind me, and he's gonna explain why he's behind me after the lift.
So we got a few reasons why I'm standing behind Jake. There's so many variables that go into deadlifts, whether it's poor sleep, poor sodium, poor food, or stress. There's a lot of things that can cause people to have that blackout effect that you've seen, I'm sure, on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. So my job as doing my due diligence as a good spotter is to be behind Jake as close as I can. I have 1 foot here, my hip on his butt. I have 1 hand on his back and 1 hand on his chest. And I'm gonna hold him here until I feel like he's okay. There have been many occasions where I've been competing and someone will walk off the platform and then have their little episode. So do your due diligence. When someone is doing something heavy, do them a favor and follow them off the platform if need be.
I'm gonna show you what the deadlift jack does. It's gonna save your back and save our equipment. This is how we load and unload the plates effectively and safely.